Ajay Udyan Park is a historical and cultural site in Lohardaga, Jharkhand, dedicated to the memory of brave IPS officer Ajay Kumar Singh. This park provides a peaceful relaxation spot with lush greenery, children's playgrounds and beautiful walking paths. It serves as both a recreational spot and a tribute to the rich history of the region. Introduction to Ajay Udyan Park. Ajay Udyan Park, located in Lohardaga district of Jharkhand state, was built by the Municipal Council on 2019 for the entertainment of children and adults. This park is built on the side of the main road of Lohardaga city. This park has many facilities for the entertainment of children. Most of the local people come here to enjoy with their families and children. It has been built in the memory of Martyr SP Ajay Kumar Singh. A ticket of 10 rupees has to be taken to enter the park. There is no parking facility to park your vehicle outside the park. It is kept near the main gate of the park. No amount is charged for parking. This park has swings, slides, cycling track, walking, jogging track, Ravana's head, water fountains, lion's effigy, elephant's effigy, python snake's effigy for children to play in which one can go inside through the mouth and come out from the tail. Rail for children in which even adults can ride. A canteen for food and drinks, where many kinds of fast food are available. In the memory of Martyr SP Ajay Kumar Singh. There are benches and rest platforms at various places for sitting and relaxing. There are many flower plants to keep the park green throughout the year and many big trees to protect from the sun. The total area of this park could be approximately 2.5 acres. The length could be 500 sqm and the width could be 500 sqm. The park opening time is from 10 am to 6 pm. Main gate of Ajay Udyan Park, Lohardaga. Ajay Udyan Park of Ajay Kumar Singh Smarak. Children Place. Children Rail. In Ajay Udyan Park. Importance of Ajay Park. The flag is hoisted every year on the 15th of August and the 26th of January in Ajay Park of Lohardaga district. On that day, many tourists come here to hoist the flag and see it. This park remains open throughout the year, in which there is a crowd of children. Every day people from other cities nearby used to come here with their children in this park. In the middle, due to the arrival of Corona, the crowd had reduced a bit. Later again children are seen in large numbers in this park. In the evening, crowd can be seen in this Ajay Udyan Park. On some special occasions, if necessary, this park is also kept closed. Its information is given in local news or social media, so that the people coming here can get convenience and information. Elders also come to see the beauty of this place. Many times birthdays of children and adults are celebrated in this Ajay Udyan Park. Parties are held here. Means of entertainment can be provided here. This park is known as a popular place for the local people of Lohardaga district. One should also know the stories of Martyr Ajay Singh about this park. Martyr Ajay Singh was a resident of Begusarai, Bihar. He received his primary education from Netahat School. He received a degree in electrical engineering from Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, IIT Kharagpur. Then he passed UPSC and became a police officer. Martyr SP Ajay Kumar Singh was a reputed officer of the Indian Police Service, IPS. When he was posted in Lohardaga, the Naxalites ambushed him on the 4th of October 2000 and Ajay Singh was martyred. At that time he was posted as the Superintendent of Police, SP, of Lohardaga district of Andhra, Bihar. Ajay Singh was the first police officer to be martyred by the Naxalites, in whose name the Martyr SP Ajay Kumar Singh Trust was formed in Lohardaga district. This trust organizes a blood donation camp every year. Ajay Park was built in Lohardaga in the memory of Martyr SP Ajay Kumar Singh. It was developed as a playground for children. Late Ajay Kumar Singh image naming of Ajay Udyan Park and its purpose. Ajay Udyan Park is named after Ajay Kumar Singh. He was an SP from Begusarai district of Bihar. After the martyrdom, a memorial of him has been built here by Naxalite of Lohardaga. Ajay Udyan Park is named after him. The main purpose of building this park is to keep the history of this place alive. Lohardaga district fresh and the memory of martyr Ajay Kumar Singh was established here in the park. Apart from this, the park was built so that the children of the surrounding area can play happily in the park. This park was built to keep the heroic work of Ajay Kumar Singh alive and to inspire people about it. Exact location of the park in Lohardaga district. Ajay Park is located on the roadside near Barbatoli market in Lohardaga district. This park is a fun place for the local children of Lohardaga. There is a good means of entertainment here during the holidays of children, where children can spend hours enjoying their games. They can relax and feel happy for a few moments from the pressure of daily studies. This Ajay Udyan Park has many attractions like a giant monster statue, python, elephant, swing, slide, lion, long snake, sitting area and cement fish, which children like very much. Food and drink facilities are also available for children. There is also a shop in the park, where many types of food and drink items are available. Geography of Ajay Park. The entire park is spread over an area of about 2.5 acres. But the entire park has been built in 1 acre. Many government buildings have been built in the remaining area. A brick plot has been laid in Ajay Park for walking or strolling. This park has been built in a rectangular shape from all sides. But it is not so. The park looks a little longer. This Ajay Udyan Park is built on the roadside and has many big trees. Geographical structure inside Ajay Udyan Park. Like other parks, all the animals present in this park are made of cement. This gives children an opportunity to play and they do not feel any kind of fear. There is no pond in the park. Water fountains have been made which are run daily in the evening. Its beauty is worth seeing. Many people from nearby areas come to see this fountain. Many plants have been planted in the park. A knowledgeable person can get many types of medicines here. Wild animals are not seen here. All the animals are man-made. Chula image play space for children in Ajay Udyan Park. Lohardaga slide for children. Walking place in the Ajay Udyan Park. Waterfall in the park. Entry to Ajay Udyan Park. The entry fee to Ajay Udyan Park is ours. 10. A ticket counter like a window has been made on the right side outside the entry gate. The specialty of this park is that when there is a crowd here, tourists have to wait in line, or have to wait for a while. The people who entered first will come out, then when the time changes, others can go inside. For parking, you can park your vehicle near the main gate of the park and in other empty places. This park opens at 10 am and is closed at 6 pm. This time keeps changing according to the weather. Sometimes the park is also closed due to some special reason. So before going to Ajay Udyan Park, definitely get information about it. Here, a child above 8 years of age has to take a ticket in this park. You can go to this park at any time from October to February. Cultural programs organized from time to time. Ajay Udyan Park is crowded during every festival. Apart from this, the flag is hoisted here on the 26th of January and the 15th of August. At that time, a lot of crowd is seen in the park. The municipal corporation here specially participates in the flag hoisting. At that time, the biography of Shaheed Ajay Kumar Singh is told. His valor is told. The documentary of Shaheed Ajay Kumar's life is told. Awareness discourses are given to the people living around the park about the development of the country. In this discourse, the history of India is told, so that the local people can think about the interest of the country. Facilities for tourists in Ajay Park. Separate toilets have been built for men and women in Ajay Udyan Park. Many drinks and food are available here. Resting places have been built for resting and sitting. Footpaths have been built around the park for walking. Birthdays and parties can be celebrated here. You can go for a walk with children. Apart from this, there are many hotels available for staying in Lohardaga district, where you can stay overnight. Tourist attractions around Lohardaga district and Ajay Park. Akhileshwar Dham 12 kilometers. Prachin Shiv Mandir, Thakparta Nandini Dam. Lohardaga Bhandra Place. Different waterfalls. Bagru Hill Place. Dhardharia Waterfalls 25 kilometers. Sinha Block 27 No. Pool Lavapani Waterfalls. Lohardaga Banpur Dam, Banpur Place. Bagru Hill 15 kilometers. Kisco Block. Ajay Park, city near Bharwa Toli. Birsa Upwan Biodiversity Park. Thakparta Mandir. Inscription on the memorial of Martyr Ajay Kumar Singh. March 2, 1971 to April 10, 2000. The battlefield of beauty is everywhere, and the goal is bigger than death. The tricolor never bows down and its journey never stops. The lines that were the ideals of the life of Martyr Ajay Singh, who sacrificed everything for the tricolor, should guide our lives too. Slogan: O forest gardener, pluck me and throw me on that path. Many brave men walk on that path, sacrificing their lives for the motherland. In Hindi, मुझे तोड़ लेना वनमाली, उस पथ पर देना तुम पे। मातृभूमि पर शीश चढ़ाते, जिस पथ जाए वीर अनेक। Facts for Ajay Udyan Park. Lohardaga 1. Where is Ajay Park located? Ajay Park is located on the side of the main road of Lohardaga district of Jharkhand state. 2. When was Ajay Park inaugurated? Ajay Park was inaugurated in 2019. This park comes under Lohardaga Municipal Council. This park has been built in the memory of late Ajay Kumar Singh. 3. What facilities are available in Ajay Park? Ajay Park has swings, slides, cycling track, walking, jogging track, Ravana's head, water fountains, rail, lion's effigy, elephant's effigy, python snake's effigy for children to play in which one can go inside from the mouth and come out from the tail. 4. In whose honor is Ajay Park built? Ajay Park has been built in honor of late Martyr Ajay Kumar Singh. He was a courageous and dedicated IPS officer, built in his memory. 5. Is there a ticket or entry fee inside the park? The entry fee for Ajay Park is 10 rupees. This is determined by the local administration.